What is up, guys? In today's video, I'll be talking about to you about my top 5 favorite Linux distros for beginners. Okay, so let's get right into it. Alright, so top 5, we have Ubuntu. Ubuntu is it used to be a pretty good distro, but now it's kind of generic and never uses it, but it's dependable, but it replaced apt snap, so that's kind of bad. But now, for top 4, we have ZearnOS. ZearnOS has a lot of customization, and is overall a really good distro, and obviously has apt and it has a graphical store. It's just overall really good. It's such a really good distro. But there's a version that's paid, so that doesn't really comply with the free nature of Linux. But yeah, it's still a really good distro. Top 3 is Debian. This is literally the origin of apt, which is the probably most popular package manager ever. So yeah, it also just goated. Like, it's just really based. And then Linux Mint is really good with drivers and it's lightweight, and you have a bunch of options for the versions you have, and overall just a really good distro. I mean, you can even switch from integrated to NVIDIA, like just with a click of a button. You have so many settings. It's super easy to customize, except for the D, it's like super hard to customize. But just these normal customizations like themes and stuff is really easy. Now, on top 1, we have Pop OS. Pop OS is really good with NVIDIA, has a good store, and it's even getting a new D. I'm pretty sure it's already come out. It's called Cosmic D, and it's like been the latest talk in the latest months. So yeah, and this Pop OS is just really easy to customize, and it's based on Ubuntu, but still really, really good distro. I hope you enjoy my list. Please do not flame me in the comments. I know that actually said is my personal opinion, so please do not flame me in the comments. Anyways, bye!